Colonel, I think it was Sun Tzu that said all warfare is based on deception. And a lot of times the media has been co-opted into this, and we saw that with Vietnam, et cetera. You just laughed out loud. I mean, how is this any different than any other military conflict? Is it the scale of the deception here?
Yeah, I think so. And also the cooperation of the media. I lived through the Vietnam era. In fact, I started out in the military in 1971 at Virginia Military Institute, then went on to West Point in 1972, and we were still dealing with the Vietnam disaster. And it was very clear that at least until 1968, the media was giving the military a pass. They were essentially reporting figures for casualties that were not accurate. They were slow rolling our own casualties, increasing and inflating the casualties on the other side. And of course, promoting the notion that we were winning. And you had a massive campaign launched by the president and the senior four-star at the time, Westmoreland, in 1967, to convince everybody we, quote unquote, turned the corner. We're winning. Then, of course, we got the Tet Offensive in January, and it was a disaster. And it became abundantly clear to everyone, and the media could no longer pretend. And the media was less interested in pretending. You still had a lot of people in the media with some sense of integrity and devotion to the country. They began to tell the truth. That made lots of people angry. These were the Americans that had believed the lies from the beginning. And of course, we didn't even discuss the fact that the whole war was based on a lie. The Gulf of Tonkin incident, which really never occurred as it was reported. It's not the first time that we've gone to war for a lie. We went to war in 1917 on the basis of lies as well. So the bottom line is that I think today what's different is the willingness to lie, the willingness to deliberately deceive. And I listen to it every day, every morning, on every news channel. I read it all the time. And you sort of shake your head and say, this is incredible. But the good news is the truth bombs, they're beginning to detonate. And very shortly I would think, as soon as this ground dries to the point where hundreds of thousands of Russian forces can leave their defensive positions and attack, it'll be very difficult to maintain the fiction anymore.
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public, and he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be nasty. But at the same time, he's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. I'm looking for partners, collaborators, colleagues who want to join forces with me around the globe and create real value, generational wealth, and financial freedom for everyone else around the world. Get involved in the cryptocurrency markets, get involved in the NFT markets. This is your moment. Life all comes down to a few moments. Don't let this pass. Now it's not too late. Next year's going to be too late. Ultimately, this is about freedom. That's the way I see it. This is about giving power back to the people and enabling billions of people worldwide to use the financial markets to improve their lives and those of their friends and their families and their communities. Honestly, I think it's a violation of human rights not to allow people basic access to financial services. Because right now people are being kept in the dark, they're being robbed of education, and it's a travesty. And so I'm looking for people that want to join me and be a part of this solution. And that all happens inside the DeFi Academy. The gains my students are making are absolutely amazing. Double, triple digit gains in the first month alone. That's amazing. This will change your life. Now is the time to get involved. I'm going to tell you exactly how my students in my academy made money in the last 30 days. I'm talking about real trading results. And let me just whet your appetite a little bit. Let me hit you with some numbers. I'm talking Brendan from New Zealand is up 68.77% on the month. Steve from Europe up 83%. Albert in Singapore up 169.9% on one single trade. I got Susan up 153% on her call options alone, also rocking 139% returns and 442% returns as well on individual trades. These are people that are changing their financial future in the last 30 days, but it's based on trading discipline.
I've graduated over 500 students from inside my academy from over 54 countries around the world. It's amazing. When it comes to crypto, DeFi, and blockchain, we love this space. We truly believe it's the future. This is down to our core. It's authentic to what we're doing, and everybody can tell through the camera because you can't make this stuff up.
If you're watching me now, wherever you are, I implore you, take 60 seconds right now and join my academy. Apply today. Now you've got a chance. Life all comes down to a few moments. What are you going to do? What's the choice that you're going to make?